Are you ready to unlock amazing savings on Plus500? Today I am going to show you how to effortlessly add a discount code to your Plus500 account in just few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, using discount codes can help you save significantly on your trading fees. First, head over to a reliable coupon site or the Plus500 promotion page. You'll find various codes offering discounts ranging from 55% to an incredible 75% off. Choose the one that suits your needs best and copy it to your clipboard. If you have not already, log into your Plus500 account. If you're new, signing up is quick and easy. Once logged in, look for the options that allow you to enter a promo code. This is usually found in the account settings or during the checkout process. Paste the discount code you copied earlier into the designated field. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Hit the apply button. You should see your discount reflected in your total amount. Double check to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the discount, complete your transaction as usual. And that's it. You have successfully added a discount code on Plus500 and saved money on your trading fees. Remember, these codes can change frequently, so always check for the latest offers before making a transaction. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy trading!